it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why.
Hey guys, we're at Burlington. Ooh, right there. There's Tyler. Hi. There's Mom. Come on. Hey. How do you say hi like that? Like you the tallest family. All right, y'all. So hubby's inside of a store trying to get some stuff taken care of with some music stuff. But so while he doing that, we're just gonna go see what Burlington got. No, he likes like the speakers and like, you know, the entertainment aspect of it, the loudspeakers and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go see what they have. Probably get some like home type of decor and see what they got. Jay don't want to go in, but he the first one walking in.
Wasn't really what we had in mind. We're running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we're left here without love.
Found some candles.
Ooh, this smells so good.
Like you lighted that other candle.
I did.
That Yankee.
That's my favorite one.
Ooh, that's cute. It's blessed.
It is cute.
Ooh, clearance.
Girl.
What? Throw pillows. What else we got? I'm coming. It's more over there. It got black and white in it.
Yeah, it's black and white, fur, gold and white.
No, I'm thinking about for a bed. You can cut it off.
Oh, for a bed.
Looking at these shoes for Jay. He likes styles like this. Turn that way, man, so I can see. Oh, your foot big. Because they look. Okay, so not the 8.5. This is the 9. Your toe right there. So you got like a 1/2 inch. And you got thick socks on. So how does it feel?
It feels good.
So you like those?
Yeah.
Boy, you got a big foot. Oh my gosh.
Hi, y'all. Ooh, I can't see. So we're at Target. That's what you're supposed to not. Ooh, we're at Target and we're about to get. Y'all, this sun is popping right here. But look nice. Yeah, we're at Target. Boy, hush. Oh, a little light. I don't know what. Hey, that's not stop, Jay. Stop. Oh, nail stuff here. I found this. But mine lucky because it's cardboard.
I mean, I might get it, but ooh, what's this? Oh, see,
This is nice. This is at Target.
you could have got that to put the stuff on.
This is too big.
Exactly.
Yeah. It has Sunday. Oh. Oh. Hmm? Some notebooks.
They don't have like a white color one?
They probably do. They probably just got it. I don't know. Ooh, a little mailbox.
Oh, okay, yes.
Okay. They found some high school musical.
The musical series, huh?
Nikki.
No.
Oh, that
I
tricked
can't
me.
think actually, no. I can't.
These are cute. Look. Aww. We got black ones. Right there.
Oh, these are cute.
Right there, the orange thing.
Oh, wow. Oh, the crop tops are over here.
Crop top.
Right here. Look.
Shopping is my
Mouse.
cardio.
That's my no work.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we about to finally unbox it. Come on, babe, I want it to fall.
All right.
See how this thing works. See if it's worth the height, huh, babe?
I know. I'm gonna reach underneath here where the crumbs at.
Mm.
Then you put the box up there. Take it
I wonder if we have to charge it first. So it's the Box Sweep Pro Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. And we got this off of Wayfair. It was on sale too. So we got it off of Wayfair, it was on sale for a real good price. See, I told you I like the stainless steel instead of that gold one.
I thought it was on a flat.
It was a stainless steel color and then
So can't get stained?
gold on it. I mean, a gold. That's the material. Like how the refrigerator stainless steel.
But I don't think Rich can get stained on it.
Well, yeah, because you got stainless steel cleaner to remove it.
It's so weird.
The little brushes.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Well, that's even better. Because our theme is gray and white.
And it got wheels.
You got a roll line.
It's all gold.
Baby girl, go put that my alarm off on my phone, please.
Oh, these just extra?
Extra, yeah. Let's see how it looks. Oh, dang, it's a lot of stuff on the charger.
They got charger.
You got something like this?
Our little tools.
You can brush stuff.
Oh, okay. Can you turn it over on the back, on the bottom, so I can see how it
It's a big box.
Oh, okay.
That's so cool.
What if it's already charged?
I know, right?
That was
How can it sleep?
Okay. I don't know. We're going to figure that out.
Let's see here.
You're going to read the directions. You're actually going to read the manual.
Absolutely.
So
That's why they
silly.
always be breaking stuff.
Oh, man.
So we're gonna pause it while I read it.
Yeah, get it all together and then come back and show y'all
Yep.
how it works.
Take the tissue.
We're out of time, and time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we lost our way. We're out of time, again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end.
Okay, y'all, so this is going to be coming up on the end of the video, and the rest of the footage is basically just showing you the Bob vacuum cleaner and stuff out the box. But I do want to come on here and just give my final thoughts on it. As you'll see from the video, it does like vacuum and, you know, pick up stuff here and there. But eventually it started messing up on us, y'all. It started to kind of roll over trash, like, and not picking it up and going over it a couple of times before it would pick it up. And then it even started forcing itself under places where it should kind of hit against and then move out the way because of like the bumper guards. But it started forcing itself under those places, y'all, and like scratching itself up on the top, getting stuck and not picking up track. Yeah, it just started messing up. So I just want to come over here, even though this is in the video and y'all are seeing it, just to give y'all an update that yeah, this vac cleaner is going to be a no-go for us. I know a lot of people in the cleaning community have them. They're nice now, they look good, but it just didn't work out for us. It's not as effective as I thought it would be. So yeah, I called Wayfair and told them everything, and they understood. So we're just gonna get something else, because yeah, this right here is gonna be a no-go for us, y'all. But I just want to come on and just tell you guguys, you know, my opinion on it. Since this is the end of the video, just showing y'all the unboxing.